अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ 10th बायोलॉजी के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे और हम देखेंगे कि जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन जो कि बोर्ड के हवाले से बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, स्टूडेंट अपनी बुक पे इसको मार्क कर लें, नोट कर लें, आपके लिए पेपर में बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। मेरी वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। वीडियोज़ को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें। लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने चैप्टर नंबर 1 और 2 के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस बताए थे और इस आज की वीडियो में हम 10th बायोलॉजी के चैप्टर नंबर 3 के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। चैप्टर नंबर 3, कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड कंट्रोल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिफाइन कोऑर्डिनेशन। कोऑर्डिनेशन की डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे। राइट डाउन द नेम ऑफ टाइप्स ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन। सिर्फ कोऑर्डिनेशन की टाइप्स के नेम लिखेंगे। What is the difference between stimuli and response? दोनों की डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे, साथ में एग्जाम्पल लिखेंगे। What is the difference between receptors and factors? दोनों की डिफाइन करेंगे और साथ में दोनों की एग्जाम्पल्स लिखेंगे। What is myelin sheet? माइलिन शीट क्या होती है, इसके बारे में लिखेंगे आप। What is difference between sensory neurons and motor neurons? What are the interneurons? Define nerves. What are the sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves? Write down the name of parts of brain. 3 parts हैं brain के, forebrain, hindbrain, midbrain. Write down the names of parts of forebrain. Write down the names of parts of hindbrain. What is the difference between thalamus and hypothalamus? What is hippocampus? What is medulla oblongata? What is spinal cord? Write down the 2 main functions of spinal cord. Spinal cord के 2 main function लिखेंगे। What is the difference between peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system? Define somatic nervous system. What is the difference between sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system? What is reflex action? What is meant by reflex arc? Write down the name of disorder of eye. What is the difference between myopia means short sight and hypermetropia means long sight? What is the contribution of Ali ibn Isa? What is the contribution of Ibn al-Hatim? What is the meant by pinna? Pinna को define करना है। How air maintain the balance of body? कि कैसे एयर्स हमारी बॉडी को बैलेंस करते हैं, वो पॉइंट आपने लिखना है बुक पे। अलग से ये पॉइंट दिया गया, इसका आंसर में सारा वो पॉइंट लिखेंगे हम। Write down the names of endocrine glands. What is pituitary glands? What is meant by diaphysium, gynetism, and macroagly? What is the function of thyroid stimulating hormones? What is vasopressin? What is oxytocin? What is different between diabetes insipidus and diabetes mellitus? What is thyroid glands? What is the function of thyroxine? What is difference between hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism? What is the function of calcitonin? What is parathyroid glands? What is adrenal glands? What is meant by epinephrine and adrenaline? What is pancreas? What is gonads? What is difference between negative feedback and positive feedback? What is paralysis? What is epilepsy? What is meant by tetany? इन सबको डिफाइन करेंगे। नेक्स्ट है चैप्टर नंबर 4, स्पोर्ट एंड मूवमेंट। डिफाइन skeleton. Write the names of types of skeleton. What is the difference between exoskeleton and endoskeleton? What is the role of skeleton? What is cartilage, chondrocytes, and leukemia? What do you know about hyaline cartilage? What is the difference between elastic and fibrous cartilage? What is the difference between bone and cartilage? What is the difference between compact bones and spongy bones? What do you know about osteocyte? What is different between exoskeleton and appendicular skeleton? What is hinge joints and ball and socket joints? What is meant by immovable and slightly movable and movable joints? What is difference between tendons and ligaments? What is the difference between erosion and insertion? What is meant by antagonism? What is the difference between flexion and extension? What is difference between osteoporosis and arthritis? What is the difference between osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis? What is gout? Next, chapter number 5, reproduction. Define reproduction. What is the difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction? Define binary fusion. How binary fusion occurred in unicellular eukaryotes. How binary fusion occurred in invertebrates. What is multiple fusion? What is meant by fragmentation? What is meant by budding? How budding occur in hydra and corals? इन दोनों में budding का process कैसे होता है ये आंसर करेंगे. Define sporangium. What is difference between bulbs and cones? What is meant by rhizomes? What are suckers? What do you know about stem tubers? In which plant the vegetative propagation by plant is occur? What is different between spores and seeds? What is meant by antspores? What is meant by parthenogenesis? Define vegetative propagation and write the names of its type. In what ways the natural vegetative propagation is occur? In what ways the artificial vegetative propagation is occur? What is cutting? What is grafting? What are the advantages of vegetative propagation of plants? What is tissue culture and cloning? दोनों को define करेंगे और example देंगे. What is meant by alternation of generations? इसको सारा डिफाइन करेंगे और साथ में इसकी नीचे छोटी सी डायग्राम है इस पैराग्राफ के नीचे वो भी लिखेंगे. Define pollination. What is meant by difference between self pollination and cross pollination? What is seed coat? What is xylem? What is the difference between epicotyles and hypocotyles? इनके साथ में डायग्राम भी बनाएंगे. What is difference between apigeal and hypogeal germination? इनकी भी डायग्राम है वो भी बनाएंगे. What is gametogenesis? What is spermatogenesis? दोनों को डिफाइन करेंगे. What are the sperms? Sperms को डिफाइन करेंगे. What is difference between primary spermatocytes and secondary spermatocyte? What is oogenesis? oogenesis को डिफाइन करेंगे. साथ इसके साथ डायग्राम भी बना सकते हैं आप. What is the difference between primary oocytes and secondary oocytes? What is placenta? What is AIDS? What are the causes of AIDS and how AIDS affect? किस तरह AIDS हम इंसानों पे affect करता है ह्यूमन बॉडी को वो सारा लिखेंगे.